In this lecture, you are going to learn the basic terminologies used in SEO. Generally, from SEO point of view, backlinks are of two types, nofollow and dofollow links. Before explaining what is a nofollow or dofollow link, you need to know the technical difference between them. In HTML, a link or a backlink is written as less than arrow a href equal to quote open inspirearound.com quote close greater than symbol inspirearound less than symbol / a and then greater than symbol. Here the anchor word is inspirearound, which is visible to the normal user. When the user clicks on this anchor word, it will take him to the target web page mentioned between the href attribute in the A tag. The above HTML link is an example of a dofollow link. If I add rel equal to nofollow attribute inside A tag, then it will become a nofollow link. Nofollow attribute will request the search engine not to pass the link juice from the source page to the linked page or the target page. Link juice is nothing but the domain authority or search engine visibility, which we saw in the technical SEO section. Earlier, Google itself released a few extensions or plugins to see the page rank of every domain and its interior pages. But from March 2016, Google removed the visibility of PageRank to the public. PageRank or link juice or domain authority or search engine visibility of a domain name or a web page are all one and the same. Based on the PageRank only, Google used to decide the authenticity of the content in your website. PageRank mainly depends on the number of dofollow links that your domain have from authentic websites. So, your domain authority neither directly depends upon nofollow links nor the dofollow links from low quality websites. Let me ask you a simple question. Website A has got 1000 dofollow backlinks and website B has got 10 dofollow backlinks. Which website would rank high on Google search engine? Let's see the answer in the next lecture.